guys, it's Katie, and for today's video we are doing a holiday haul from Taylor's store. They had a ton of sales, collection drops, and stuff like that for the holidays, so I kept ordering stuff and kind of pushing this video out because more stuff was waiting in the mail. But I finally got my last box, so let's do a unboxing of this and then a haul of everything else. We're gonna start with items from the initial holiday drop. Now this drop had a ton of items from every single era as well as ornaments, so I got a ton. The first thing is the Starlight pillow. I don't have a ton of items from the red era and I absolutely love this, so this was an immediate add to the cart. Don't you see the starlight? Don't you dream impossible dreams? It's just a throw pillow. It's a little thin, but again, you're not like sleeping on it, but overall it's very good quality and I'm super excited to have this. Then of course I had to add to my crop top collection. This is the self-titled debut crop top. It says, "I'll still look at you like the stars that shine." This is from Mary's song and one of my absolute favorite songs, and I just love this so much, so of course I had to get it. I will say it is a little baggy on me. I got it in an extra small, and it's not exactly cropped, but I still think it's really cute. Then I got 3 ornaments. Now each ornament was about $25, so that was kind of a lot, so I only got 3. But the first one I got was the Begin Again teacup ornament. I believe they had this on sale last year, and I kind of want to collect ornaments from every era, so this is starting it. I just think this is really cute and I love the details. Then we have one of my favorites, which is the Folklore Hourglass. August Slipped Away, and it's actually an hourglass, which, like, how cool is that? It's very delicate, so I'm kind of afraid to hang it on my tree, but it looks gorgeous. And I know there is a bigger version of the hourglass, but I believe those were super limited and really expensive resale, so this will have to do, and it's perfect. You know I had to get a Reputation ornament, so I got the Reputation Throne ornament. The detail is so good. It's really lightweight, and I just love it so much. And so now I have ornaments from 3 eras. I can't remember the exact order that they dropped everything, but in the second round of items that I ordered from her store, they did a surprise song piano themed drop. So there was a vinyl case, a jacket, a cardigan, and an ornament. I picked up 2 of the items. The first one was the ornament, you guessed it. This is just the piano ornament, and I love the details. It's really heavy, so I can definitely see myself displaying this all year round. But the piano just looks so pretty, and I'm super excited to have this. Along with that, we got the stocking, and this is really good quality. It's super soft. The TS is embroidered as well as the flowers and leaves. I'm really impressed, and it's huge, and I've also been needing a stocking, so this will be my stocking forever. The next item I got was in another sale that they had, I think a few days after the surprise song was released, and I've been eyeing this item for a while and I wanted to get it on sale. It was 50% off, which is awesome. It is the debut self-titled guitar pick box, and you get 3 guitar picks with it. I love boxes so much. This is the cutest little box ever. It also came in the cutest little box ever, but it is a wooden magnetic box, and it says Taylor Swift at the top. It's kind of like engraved, and then there's a little logo symbol here. When you open it, like, look how cute that is. It is like a magnetic shut, and again, really good quality. I got this for 50% off, so it's totally worth it with the sale. We have 3 little debut guitar picks from Teardrops on My Guitar. We have He's the Song in the Car, All I Think About at Night, and Fake a Smile. And then on the back it just has the Taylor Swift thing, logo thing on the back. And I just think this is so cute. I have a ton of guitar picks floating around. I don't know where they are, but when I find them, they will be going in this box because I love it so much. The last sale that I got items from was the Eras Tour merch sale, and that makes me so sad because the Eras Tour is over, but they did have up to 70% off on a ton of items, so I got a few items that I have been wanting to get. So the box just came in because the last minute sale, so this is what I was waiting on to film this video, but I'm super excited, so let's open it up. I got 2 t-shirts and then some postcards, and this thing is stuffed. So here is the first t-shirt, and then the second one, and then I actually got 2 postcard sets. They were 50% off, so $5 each. and I wanted free shipping, so that's why I had to get two. We're gonna start with the 1989 Eras Tour shirt. I got this one in a small, and this is so cute. I love the little Eras and I love blue. So I had to pick up this one. So it has the tour dates and some photos of her, and then photos of her on the front, as well as the Eras Tour. Okay, this is the first shirt, and it's super cute, but you guys are gonna laugh. It's actually so long, and like her feet in the pictures goes down really long, so I'd probably kind of scrunch it up like that. But this is so cute, good quality, good fit, and again, this is the size small. The second one that I got was the Midnight's shirt, and this one was really on sale, so I had to pick it up. This is what it looks like. I love this so much. I'm actually very impressed with the quality. This is the Lavender Haze Midnight's Tour shirt. So it has the photo of her on front and then the Eras Tour cities on the back. I just think that's so cute. So we're also going to try this one on. This is the second shirt. I love this. It fits exactly like the 1989 one. I think this is super cute. Again, it's very long. Tour dates on the back. This is a size small. I'm usually an extra small, but they're sold out of like the youth mediums, youth larges. But I got a small, and this is so cute. And I love the design. Finally, we have the Eras Tour postcards. I believe you get 3 of each design, so I have a ton of them. But they feel like really good quality, and I'll put up all the ones that you can get. But I'm not going to open these just quite yet. Not gonna open these yet, but I am excited to use them. That's all for the Taylor Swift holiday merch, but I have a little bonus. So Sabrina Carpenter has the Fruitcake album, and it's like a little Christmas album. I absolutely love it so much. They have been sold out of the vinyl for a long time, but this year they re-released the vinyl and the CD, so of course I got one of each because I'm a CD collector and a vinyl collector. So this is what the CD looks like. It's still sealed. It'll probably stay sealed for a while. This is the vinyl. I think it's so cute. I got the fruit punch color, so this is the front and the back, and then it's this really pretty like red, dark red, mahogany fruit punch color, and I love it so much, so I'm super excited. And that was the last of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know what your favorite items were, or if you got any items from the holiday shop. I love seeing what other people buy, so let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.